Uh, Hi everyone. I'm just continuing the class of implementing the IT project, and in the earlier class we have created four different WBS elements and the respective activities named 1, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 70 in the respective WBS elements, and we are just linking those activities in a proper way in this lesson. You can see this session using relationships and to link the activities. They're asking us to use the network graphic to all for the connection purposes and each and everything. We are going to implement this hierarchy by using our activities. You can see these are all the activities which are appearing in the network graphic, and we will link up these activities. The activities which will be start first and which will be the next, the sequence will be defined by using these relationships. Here we can see the same thing. Here we are opening the same project what we have created in the previous class, and you can see these are all the WBS elements, and these are all the activities, and this is the network header. And we will open the network graphic. Here there is a symbol shown here. If you select the network header, then only the network graphic button will be enabled. You can't see the button if you select any of the other things. Network header and choosing the network graphic button. Once it is clicked, it will open a same screen, the details what we have in the activities, and we can choose the complete view of this by using adjusting the complete graphic to display the of the graphic very clearly. Here the network header number is 90403039, and these are all the various activities which are created in the previous class. And as they mentioned in the scenario, we need to link up all the activities by using the respective relationships. You can see here from the first 10 to 30 they are using FS relationship. Hence we can see there is a connect button here. If you click on that one, the cursor change to pencil symbol. You need to simply drag from 10 to 30 like this. Hence a relationship is formed between these two activities. In the same way we are implementing for the remaining activities also. You can see between 30 and 50 there is an FS relationship. From between 30 and 50 there is an FS relationship, and then from 50 to 60 there is an FS relationship. If it is showing anything different, you can simply double click on the particular relationship. It will open a small pop-up window. There is an option for relation type. In the you can open those values and you can choose FS as the value, and if you click on continue, the relationship will be changed to the respective relationship. After that, from 60 to 70 they are using FS relationship. Here is the 60. From you have to connect on symbol, and from clicking here to here it is FS relationship. And later from 20 to 40 they have FF relationship, finish relationship between 20 and 40. From 20 to 40 they have FF relationship, but here it came as FS by default. We can change it by double clicking on it. It will come here. You can choose FF as a relationship and you have to press on continue. You can see the last one, 40 to 50 is an FS relationship. From 40 to 50 is FS relationship. Once everything is completed, you can adjust the complete graph by clicking on adjust complete graph button. It will ask adjust complete graph. Once you hit the enter, it will change as they are asking to implement the same way we have implemented here without any mistakes. After completion of this class, we will continue for the remaining class, in the next class. Thank you.